Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect TradingView to TopStep. The first thing I want you to do is actually go to the TradingView platform right here, because we're going to be using this for direct TradingView connection, because the only way to connect a TopStep account to TradingView's trading panel for basically placing orders directly from the TradingView charts is through the TradingView broker connection, because TopStep actually uses TradingView's infrastructure for that access path. So we're going to start a trading combine using the TradingView platform option. So you just go ahead and get your login information from TopStep and then go to TradingView, and I want you to go ahead and open up an account and select simulation as the trading mode. And then what I want you to do is just go to your account settings, and after that I want you to just go ahead and come here, click on add-ons, scroll down, make sure the TradingView 1 is activated. Make sure you pay for that plan. And once you have that, all you need to do is actually open up TradingView and come here, click on Trading Panel. Then just go ahead and scroll down until you see Show All Brokers. Click on that, and I want you to look for TradingView. Click on that, and then I want you to log in. Come here, but choose Demo. Then just use your login information, username and password that you got from TopStep, and you'll be connected to TradingView via TradingView. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.